Most people think affiliate marketing only pays monthly, if you're lucky. You join a program, you post some links, and you hope someone buys. And then maybe, just maybe, you'll get paid weeks later. But what if I told you there's a way to get paid daily, even if you don't have a product, an audience, or a big ad budget? Well, that's exactly what I'm breaking down in this video. A strategy that works in 2025. It allows you to start from zero, it pays you fast, and it scales as you grow. And no, it's not some shady loophole or some spammy trick that you can exploit for a while and then it won't work anymore. It's just a smarter way to build cash flow before the end of the month. So if you've ever struggled to stay consistent, felt burnt out from waiting for commissions, or felt like affiliate marketing is just too slow for you, then stick with me because this is the video that's going to flip that all on its head. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and stay until the end because I'm going to be giving you a free guide that will help you succeed this year. Okay, let's talk about why most affiliate marketers stay broke. And it's not because they're lazy, it's not because the model doesn't work, but it's because they're doing the wrong things and they're doing them in the wrong order, with zero system in place. Mistake 1, they're promoting low ticket junk, products that pay $3, $7, maybe even $10 a sale if someone actually buys them. You'd need 100 sales or more just to make a few $100. That is not income. That's just hobby money. The second mistake, they're waiting 30 to 60 days for commissions to land. By the time that you eventually see a payout, it's already old news. You can't build momentum or a life with that kind of delay. And the third mistake, no funnel, no system, and no plan for cash flow. They just throw up affiliate links and hope for the best. No lead capture, no email follow-up, no way to build leverage. If that's how you treat affiliate marketing, then you're not building a business. You're just playing the lottery with a few links, posting and praying, hustling for clicks instead of designing a system that's going to reliably turn traffic into cash for you. That is not how you win. If you want to get daily cash flow with affiliate marketing, you need 3 things in place. First, you need high converting, fast paying offers, a lead system that works while you sleep, and a game plan that builds both cash and long-term brand equity. The good news is that's exactly what I'm about to give you. Because if you want real results in 2025, you've got to play the game differently. Alright, now let's break down exactly how this daily payout affiliate strategy works, step by step. And remember, this isn't theory. This is built to work in 2025 with real platforms, real offers, and real results. Okay, so step 1, pick a high converting same day payout offer. This part is crucial. You can't be waiting 30 days or more to get paid if you're trying to build up daily cash flow. So for this, we want to go to platforms like Warrior Plus, Digistore24, or my personal recommendation, the Mindset for Success Academy affiliate program. Why? Because these platforms actually pay you fast. You can earn up to 50% commissions promoting things like digital tools, training, and coaching that people are already actively searching for. Step 2, use a lead magnet or short value opt-in page. No more sending cold traffic straight to your affiliate link. That is a rookie move. Instead, offer a simple lead magnet like free guide, how I made $100 online with no followers. Keep the landing page minimal, just a headline, some bullet points, and an email box. Done. That's it. You're building a list of leads here that you control. That is how you create predictable income. And step 3, Connect it to a short email sequence. This is where the real leverage comes in. Build a 3 to 5 day email sequence that delivers value, urgency, and soft calls to action. Day 1, show your story plus some value. Day 2, show a case study or maybe an example of success. Day 3, show mistakes to avoid as well as a call to action. Day 4, this is where you can introduce urgency and a breakdown of the offer. And day 5, this is your final push or your bonus day. That is it. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. You want people opening your emails and thinking, damn, this actually helps. Because when they trust you, then they buy from you. Step 4, get traffic every single day. Now that everything is set up, you need to drive traffic to your funnel. But be smart about it. You don't need ads, you don't need loads of followers. You just need output. Use YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reddit threads, Facebook groups, or Quora answers. Focus on short form, helpful content. Give 60 seconds of value, then point people to a link in your bio. If you post 1 to 2 pieces of content per day, you will start to build up momentum. You will get clicks, and if your funnel works properly, then you will get paid. You're not waiting 30 days, you're not praying for a viral video, you're building a machine that feeds you daily. And the best part, once it's built, all you have to do is keep feeding it traffic. You're stacking leads, you're building a brand, and you're getting daily commissions in the background, so long as you keep feeding the machine with traffic. Okay, let's make this simple. To run this daily cash flow affiliate system, you only need 4 tools, and they're all either free or have a free version to them. Let's walk you through them real quick. Okay, so the first tool is ConvertKit. This is your email marketing system. It's beginner friendly, it's powerful, and best of all, it's free to get started. You'll use ConvertKit to build your email list, send out your 5-day email sequence, and track how many people are opening, clicking, and most importantly, buying. It's clean, it's easy to learn, and perfect for this kind of funnel. The next tool is System.io. This one's your funnel builder, and it's an absolute game changer. Why? Because you can use it to build landing pages, thank you pages, email automations, all in one place. And if you're starting from scratch, then System.io is 100% free to use for your first few funnels. No coding, no complicated interfaces, just simple plug and play, drag and drop, go. The third tool is Canva. You'll need a simple lead magnet, something that gets attention and collects emails for you. You can use Canva for free to create free guides, PDFs, ebook covers, and landing page visuals. It's free, it's easy to use, and it lets you create professional assets without being a designer or needing to hire a designer. A pro tip for you, choose one of Canva's pre-made lead magnet templates and then just swap out the text. It will save you hours of work. You can always go back and tweak and improve things, but at the start, just focus on getting everything up and running first. And the final tool is your affiliate program. This is the fun part, where the money actually comes in. You'll either use Digistore24, which has tons of same-day payout offers, Warrior Plus, which also has loads of same-day payout offers, or my personal recommendation, the Mindset for Success Academy affiliate program. Why? Well, it doesn't actually have same-day payouts as standard. However, it is something that's offered to certain new affiliates who are clearly putting the work in as a way of helping them get started in the industry, and also it offers up to 50% commissions, regular bonuses for top performing affiliates, and a brilliant support team. And you're promoting products that actually change lives. Also, a quick bonus for you. I've bundled all of this into a free affiliate starter pack, including a funnel template, a plug and play email sequence, and 7 days of proven content prompts to get you earning fast. You can grab it now, just use the link in the description below. It is completely free. So no excuses now. You've got the tools, you've got the strategy, so now it's time to build. Alright, so you've got your funnel, you've got your offer, and now you need one thing: traffic. Because no matter how good your system is, if no one sees it, then you're not going to get any income from it. So here's how you drive consistent free traffic and start stacking daily commissions. This is your secret weapon. YouTube is pushing shorts like crazy at the moment, and even small channels can go viral really quite quickly. With YouTube Shorts, the trick is to keep it under 20 seconds. Start with a strong curiosity hook, something like how I made $100 in an hour with no experience, and tease the results. Then point them to the link in your description or maybe a pinned comment. You want to post 3 to 5 times a week. Batch the content so you're not spending every day creating it, and most importantly, stay consistent with it. Even one short doing 1,000 to 2,000 views can flood your funnel with leads. If you're starting from zero, then TikTok is the fastest way to blow up on social media. For maximum impact, make sure to use trending sounds on all of your videos, add text hooks to increase engagement, and point to your free guide or funnel in your bio so that you can capture emails. If you're not capturing emails, then there's no point. Your goal for TikTok, 1,000 followers in 30 days. Once you hit that, you'll unlock the link in bio feature and start converting attention into commissions. A tip for you: talk about real results, real pain points, or behind the scenes of your own journey. Keep it raw, but keep it real. Okay, forget just spamming your links. This is about building actual value. You want to join 3 to 5 niche related Facebook groups, whether that's side hustles, online businesses, or affiliate marketing. Wherever your audience hang out, you need to show up. Leave value packed comments on posts. This one is important. Don't just comment the fire emoji under someone's post or say, "Great post." Actually provide some value. Also, ask questions that spark a discussion. I've picked up clients from starting a discussion in Facebook groups or LinkedIn groups. When people can see I have a lot of value to offer, that builds trust, and if they trust you, then they'll buy from you. Finally, DM people who engage. There might be 500,000 people in the group, but there may only be 1,000 people who are actually active in the group. So if someone engages with you or your content, then DM them, because those are the people who will buy from you. Just a simple, "Hey, I saw your comment in the group. Here's a free guide I made on how I got started." No pitch, no sell, just value. This one takes 15 to 20 minutes a day, but it builds trust fast. You want to find and engage with threads in your niche. Write 3 to 4 sentence answers that genuinely help and provide value. And end with, "I actually wrote a free guide on this. Let me know if you want the link to it." No spam, no hard sell, just organic relationship building. And trust me, this stuff converts, but only if you lead with value. The amount of people who have told me they post daily to threads on Reddit, but they still don't get any sales. But all they're posting is affiliate links. Never do that. Always lead with value. Value first. Always. Now, if you're serious about building a real commission generating machine, then comment the word daily below and let me know which traffic strategy you're going to be running with. Okay, let's put it all together. You've got the strategy, you've got the tools. Now let me give you a 7-day blueprint to actually make this real. Because the reality is most people binge videos and do nothing with it. So don't be like everyone else. Take it upon yourself to build something this week. Pick your offer. You want to go with something that pays fast and converts well. Whether it's Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, or the Mindset for Success Academy affiliate program, which is linked below. Just pick one. Then build your funnel. Just a simple opt-in page, a thank you page, and a 3 to 5 email follow-up sequence using ConvertKit or System.io. And make a free lead magnet. You can create it in about 30 minutes using Canva. By the end of day 2, your machine should be fully built. That's your offer, your funnel, and your emails, all set up and ready to roll. Now, day 3 to 5. This is all about eyeballs and momentum. This is where the traffic really starts flowing. Post 1 short form video per day, YouTube Shorts, TikTok. Don't overthink it. Keep it punchy, value packed, and always include a soft call to action back to your free guide or your funnel. Next, jump into 3 different Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or Quora questions where your audience is already hanging out and spending their time. Add value, answer questions, and strategically drop your free guide or lead magnet where it fits. Remember, you're not trying to go viral. You're building daily traffic fast, targeted, and consistent, because that is what gets you paid. Now we hit days 6 and 7. This is where smart affiliates separate themselves from the rest. You need to analyze and double down. So look at the numbers. Which video got the most views? That's your style and topic that you want to repeat. Which group post actually sparked engagement? That shows you where your audience is paying the most attention. And which email subject line had the highest open rate. That's the hook you're going to need to lean into next. This isn't about guesswork anymore. It's about the data. And when you move based on what works instead of just what feels good, then you start building predictable income fast. You can literally copy this blueprint and be up and running in 48 hours. But if you want more help, then grab my free guide. The link to that, again, is in the description below. Also, a quick bonus tip for you. Once you get your first $5, $10, maybe $20 in commission, reinvest it. Boost a post, test a $5 ad, buy a better tool. Stack slow, but scale smart. Right, let's be clear. You don't need $1,000 to start affiliate marketing. You don't need to go viral. You don't need a massive audience. And you definitely don't need to sit around hoping that commissions are one day going to start rolling in. What you need is a system, a smart strategy, and the right offer. And now you've got all 3 of them. The blueprint to get you paid daily, the exact tools to build your funnel, and the traffic strategies that you can use with 0 budget, starting today. So here's what you do next. Grab the free funnel and plug and play email system. The link is below in the description. Copy and paste it, launch your system, get it all up and running today. If you want an actual affiliate program that actually helps you with every step, then take a serious look at the Mindset for Success Academy affiliate program. You'll get up to 50% commissions on products that are proven to convert, and actual human support and help with growth. No bots, no AI. This program is growing fast and it's already changing lives. So if you're ready to take this seriously, the link to join is down below. It's completely free and you could start earning today. If you've got value from this video, then do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications, because I drop new videos every single week to help you build real income in 2025 and beyond. You've got the map, now go and get the money.